Consider the following expression. A minus 6. B minus 1. C 6. D 1. The correct answer is A minus 6. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is B5. Question 3. If the perimeter of a square is 36 centimeters, its area is A 81 square centimeters, B 36 square centimeters, C 72 square centimeters, D 18 square centimeters. The correct answer is A 81 square centimeters. Question 4. Which of the following is a rational number? Consider the following expression. The correct answer is C 0.375. Question 5. The value of 3 superscript 2 plus 4 superscript 2 is A minus 25, B 25, C 7, D minus 7. The correct answer is B 25. Consider the following expression. A 3 7, B 6 7, C 9 14, D 6 14. The correct answer is B 6 7. Question 7. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each interior angle is 150 degrees? A 10, B 12, C 15, D 18. The correct answer is B 12. Question 8. The cube root of 0.008 is A 0.2, B 0.02, C 2, D 0.8. The correct answer is A 0.2. Question 9. If the simple interest on a sum is half of the principal for 1 year, then the rate percent per annum is A 50%, B 100%, C 25%, D 200%. The correct answer is A 50%. Question 10. The smallest number by which 3456 must be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube is A 2, B 3, C 4, D 6. The correct answer is A 2. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 12. If the diameter of a sphere is 14 centimeters, its radius is A 14 centimeters, B 28 centimeters, C 7 centimeters, D 21 centimeters. The correct answer is C 7 centimeters. Question 13. How many diagonals does a hexagon have? A 6, B. 9, C. 12, D. 15. The correct answer is B. 9. Consider the following expression: A. 9, B. 6, C. 5, D. 4. The correct answer is C. 5. Question 15. The mean of first 10 natural numbers is A. 5, B. 5.5, C. 6, D. 4.5. The correct answer is B. 5.5. Question 16. Which of the following is an irrational number? Consider the following expression: The correct answer is C. 7. Question 17. The product of two consecutive integers is 156. The smaller integer is A. 11, B. 12, C. 13, D. 14. The correct answer is B. 12. Question 18. The value of 1 plus 1 is A. 0, B. minus 2, C. 1, D. minus 1. The correct answer is A. 0. Question 19. If the cost price of an article is 500 rupees and the selling price is 550 rupees, the gain percent is A. 5%, B. 10%, C. 15%, D. 20%. The correct answer is B. 10%. Question 21. The square root of 1764 is A. 40, B. 41, C. 42, D. 44. The correct answer is C. 42. Question 22. If the ratio of angles of a triangle is 2, 3, 4, the largest angle is A. 40 degrees, B. 60 degrees, C. 80 degrees, D. 90 degrees. The correct answer is C. 80 degrees. Consider the following expression: A. 5, B. 4, C. 6, D. 7. The correct answer is A. 5. Question 24. The least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 20 leaves remainder 3 is A. 63, B. 123, C. 183, D. 243. The correct answer is A. 63. Question 25. The area of a rectangle is 96 square centimeters and its length is 12 centimeters. Its breadth is A. 6 centimeters, B. 8 centimeters, C. 10 centimeters, D. 4 centimeters. The correct answer is A. 6 centimeters. Consider the following expression: A 10, B 8, C 5, D 6. The correct answer is C 5. Question 27. The value of 7 superscript to 5 superscript 2 is A 24, B 14, C 12, D 49. The correct answer is A 24. Question 28. Which of the following is a perfect cube? A 64, B 81, C 128, D 216. The correct answer is D 216. Question 29. If the side of an equilateral triangle is 6 centimeters, its area is A 9 3 cm superscript 2, B 27 3 cm superscript 2, C 18 3 cm superscript 2, D 12 3 cm superscript 2. The correct answer is A 9 3 cm superscript 2. Question 30. The ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 31. If the sum of angles of a polygon is 1260 degrees, the number of sides is A 8, B 9, C 10, D 11. The correct answer is C 10. Question 32. The value of 5 superscript 3 divided by 5 superscript 2 is A 5, B 25, C 125, D 1. The correct answer is A 5. Question 33. The smallest 3-digit number divisible by 8 is A 104, B 112, C 120, D 128. The correct answer is A 104. Consider the following expression. A 60, B 54, C 45, D 30. The correct answer is A 60. Question 35. The median of the data 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 is A 5, B 8, C 11, D 10. The correct answer is B 8. Consider the following expression. A 3, B 5, C 9, D 15. The correct answer is B 5. Question 37. Which of the following angles is obtuse? A 60 degrees, B 90 degrees, C 120 degrees, D 45 degrees. The correct answer is C 120 degrees. Question 38. The HCF of 36 and 54 is A 6, B 9, C 12, D 18. The correct answer is D 18. Consider the following expression. A minus 5, B 5, C 13, D minus 13. The correct answer is A minus 5. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 41. The smallest prime number is A 0, B 1, C 2, D 3. The correct answer is C 2. Question 42. If the side of a cube is doubled, its volume becomes A 2 times, B 4 times, C 6 times, D 8 times. The correct answer is D 8 times. Consider the following expression. A 120 kilometers, B 150 kilometers, C 180 kilometers, D 200 kilometers. The correct answer is B 150 kilometers. Question 44. The value of 2 superscript 3 times 2 superscript 2 is A minus 32, B 32, C 16, D minus 16. The correct answer is A minus 32. Question 45. If the selling price is 800 rupees and loss is 200 rupees, the cost price is A 600 rupees, B 800 rupees, C 1000 rupees, D 1200 rupees. The correct answer is C 1000 rupees. Question 46. The number of factors of 36 is A 6, B 8, C 9, D 12. The correct answer is C 9. Question 47. The area of a square whose diagonal is 8 to cm is A 64 square centimeters, B 128 square centimeters, C 32 square centimeters, D 16 square centimeters. The correct answer is A 64 square centimeters. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 49. Which of the following is a terminating decimal? Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 50. The sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is A 180 degrees, B 270 degrees, C 360 degrees, D 450 degrees. The correct answer is C. 360 degrees. Question 51. The smallest number which is divisible by all numbers from 1 to 10 is A. 1260. Born in 2520. Circa 5040. D. 10,080. The correct answer is born in 2520. Question 52. The value of 0.6 times 0.4 is A. 0.24. B. 0.16. C. 0.12. D. 0.48. The correct answer is A. 0.24. Question 53. If the radius of a circle is doubled, its area becomes A. 2 times. B. 3 times. C. 4 times. D. 8 times. The correct answer is C. 4 times. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression.